You're gonna need one 9-volt battery, one plastic cup, 2 metal thumbtacks, water, baking soda, 2 test tubes, and wooden splints. Push the 2 thumbtacks in the bottom of the plastic cup. Take care they don't touch each other. Pour some water in the cup and add baking soda. Hold the battery to the thumbtacks below the cup. Bubbles of gas will rise from the 2 thumbtacks. Place the test tubes over the thumbtacks to capture the gas. One test tube will have double the amount of gas as the other. Place a burning splint into the test tube with more gas. It will burn with a pop sound. The baking soda in the water conducts electricity, which breaks the water molecules into oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen burns with a pop sound.